Hey everybody, working on the old Yellow Elite that is completely apart right now. I'm going to do the cool Twpo transmission cover. So I figured I'd make a little video on it. Obviously I probably should have started filming sooner, but everybody knows how to take a cover off, I think. All the 8mm. You're going to take the clutch off. Axle can stay in. And I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the cover here. Very thick. All new bearings. Obviously you got to reuse your old bolts. Then I have the OEM style gaskets that I sell. So if you're running your stock axle gear or primaries, I just put the 14 on it that holds the clutch bell in, and then I got it in the vise. We're going to press it out. So it shouldn't be in too much just because it's this. So, oh, there it goes. There it is. See how it's starting to come out of that bearing? See, we don't need that bearing, so when you press, put your bearings on the blocks to press the center out, because we're not reusing the stock bearing. If you were changing covers and it didn't have the bearing, you'd need to push with the bearing. So you'd set up your block a little farther out after the bearing. So I'm trying to do it one-handed. But yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like on the new one. Never mind the weird stack of things to shim it out. But so we're having that facing down. I tapped it in with my rubber mallet just to get it started and straight. Then I use that 14 as well, and it goes over the end of the cover, and I just use that old gear as a spacer. But as you press down, not a lot of force, but I wrapped it up in a rag. I didn't want to scratch my nice new cover. Go until it stops. So it just stops there. It's up against the bearing. Take it out. Don't need that. We need this. Bring it over to our bench here, and it spins freely, and it's fully flush. So we're going to throw it back in. Looking good. So here's the cover going on. Old gasket. So what I'm going to do is take this, put a layer of Honda Bond all over it, slides on. I obviously got to scrape off the old one. Then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Here's the gasket, thin layer Honda Bond on it. Throw the cover on. So here she is all put together. Give it about an hour to dry. I gotta fix that tire on the back there. So once you put this on, let it dry for an hour. If you're using Honda Bond, if it's something else, make sure you read the directions. You don't want to just do all this, then it leaks. Take it all back apart. I always run Honda 8085. What's cool about it too is it's red, so God forbid you have a leak, it's really easy to find. It ain't like that really dark gray gear oil. And it's just a couple bucks more. Worth it. Honda stuff going into Honda. So that's the final install. I will post a link to buy them underneath. I got a bunch of colors, but gold's obviously the coolest because everybody loves gold. Thanks for watching. There it is, the red goodness. So how I usually fill these up, it's on the center stand, flat surface. You let it, obviously I overfilled it. That's why it's draining out. But I wait till it starts to dribble, and then I put the plug in. Maybe I wicked overfilled it. It's okay, it's all cheap. And right there, boom. Ooh. Topped off, ready to go.